Hello everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment called magnet in sand.
Here's what we need. Let's get started. To start off, put the sand into the tray and smash it around a bit. If there is anything magnet in the sand, it should jump up onto the magnet when we circle the magnet on the surface of the sand. Let's take a little look. Run the magnet really carefully over the surface of the sand and see what jumps up. Look at that! A lot of black sand is stuck on top of the magnet. That's iron, and it probably from the rocks around the beach, which have been grounded up into really tiny particles by the ocean waves. Next time when you are at the beach, bring the magnet with you and go hunting for what's hidden in the sand.
That's it for today's experiment. Thank you!